Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to create a video in a Rednote. So first, open your Rednote app and make sure you're logged in. But first, I will like you to know that in order to post any videos or any comments, you will need to add a phone number to your account here, even though you're logged in. If you have not added a number to your profile, then you will need to do it first. So just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page, and you will need to allow all the necessary permissions. Click on allow, and you can now access your gallery in your Rednote. Now you can upload videos from your gallery. As you can see, you can upload up to 15 minutes, and that's quite new. You can either choose it from a gallery or you can also record it in Rednote. So now we have our access ready. You can record your video, and after you're done, you can click on the tick mark at the right side of the page and it will take you to the editing section. You can now choose effects for your video. There are several different types of effects here. You can choose any one of these. So next we have text. So it's mostly in Chinese, but you can try it out in order to see how it looks like. You have font, you have different titles like time and several other things. We have label, typeface, and pattern. It's similar to CapCut. So the next we have stickers. You can choose any one from these. You can also choose music from the top corner. Just click on the music and you will see various options. These are mostly Chinese, so maybe they will add more. I can change volume, and after you're done, just click on the tick mark and next. So now you can add your title, put all your hashtags, and you can even add your location, either you want to make it public or not, everything. And finally, you can click on the post button. And as you can see, it has asked me to add my phone number. So you just need to add your number and follow the on-screen instructions and your video will be posted. And that's how you create a video in Rednote. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.